In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make merch design for rappers. Also, at the end, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own mockups. So make sure you guys do stick around for that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a 3000 by 3000 document. You want to make sure your background is black as well. And you want to bring your image in. What you want to do is you want to cut out his head and you want to keep his dreads in as well. Alright, so once you have your head cut out, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get a gradient map, put the black and white like so. If you have to reverse it, you have to reverse it. Go to blend mode, put that to overlay, and you're going to get this dark look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of color correct the head a bit because I feel like it's a bit too orange. Just going to bring the vibrance down, bring the brightness and contrast up. What you guys are going to need for this is the blood splatter brush from Brush Easy. I'm going to leave a link down to that. It's completely free. And also you're going to need, some sort of gore texture. What you want to do is you want to make a brand new layer above the head, and you want to hold Alt, go in between the layers, and this little icon is going to pop up, and you just want to click. That's going to create a little clipping mask. Alright, so once you have your brushes all downloaded, you just want to click on any brush at all. I'm just going to use this one. And you want to make sure your brush is like a darkish red. You can do bright red, but like dark red looks a bit more realistic. And you just want to click like so, just tap around, and you just want to mess around with the blend modes. Like linear light looks really nice. Alright, so once you have that kind of like foundation, you can go ahead and look up like different scars and things like that. I don't know if I can show this on YouTube or anything like that, but what you want to look up is just like kind of gore scars, like realistic scars, and you want to put this on there. Now if you're a bit squeamish, this might not be for you, but I know this is like a trend style in the underground, so I'm just providing you guys with the motherfucking style. Alright. Ooh, that's crazy. Oh shit. Okay, no, I'm getting off this. Alright, so once you have your red sauce, your ketchup right here, alright, this fake blood, this is not real. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to put this to darker color, and you can position this wherever you want, but like I'm just going to leave it on his forehead here. And one more thing I'm going to add is a teardrop, like a blood teardrop. And what you want to do with the teardrop is you kind of want to line it up with the eye, and we're going to actually warp it like so. And what we're going to do is we're just going to bring this down below everything just so it looks a bit more realistic. I'm going to be putting it to overlay as well. Now for the edges up here, like the hair where it's kind of like shown, what I did was I went in and I made a new layer mask, and I just got a normal splatter brush, and I just went around like this, kind of just like erasing it, making it so it's hard to see. And the final thing is to add yourself a little texture. So I'm just going to go to solid color, make that gray. So you want to go to filter, add noise, smart object, put that to about 30 to 40, and then uniform monochromatic, put this to soft light like so, and you're going to get this nice grain texture. Once you have this all done, you just want to merge it all together. So you just want to click on the bottom, which is going to be the background. If you do try to duplicate this, it won't work. All you have to do is click on the lock down here like so, hold shift, go to the top, very top layer, go Control J, Control E. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be going over is how to make your own mockup. Not even make it, you're just going to be robbing it basically. But what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get a brand that you want to kind of get their mockups off of, or you like their mockup and you want to put your design on it. You want to go ahead and look it up. So I'm using Revenge, but I'm just going to be going over and getting this one. I'm going to scale it up, and then you want to remove the background. Once that is done, you want to get your lasso tool and you just want to select around. And once you have that done, you can do generative fill right here, and then just type in remove and it will know what to do. Alright, so once that is done, you can merge it all together, make the background black. Now I'm going to go back in, grab the design, go into here, scale it down like a little bit, and we are going to put that to light. Once you have it on linear dodge add, you can fix up some areas, like up here there's some I don't want this to be shown. But yeah, that's how you create this kind of gore rapper effect in Photoshop for your designs. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Yeah, peace.